In this audio you're about to hear after I stop talking is months after Marianne's SWAT, but this is the audio of us finding out that Oney was behind the calls. We had just listened to that audio, and now what we're hearing here is Marissa's reaction to the audio. So Merry Christmas, J for Justice, because she outed herself. And fuck you, Marissa. Feel free to use this clip and play it for your audience, Jay, because I do believe it's sweet vindication.
You were
I can't take it. Oh my god. Sorry.
Everybody needs a friend like that.
Yes.
Marissa defended him before anyone. Like, just defended him against us.
Right.
Like,
she got mad at me the other day because I said what I said. And, you know, I knew you were upset, Marissa.
I didn't want to say.
Because she knew.
I swear I didn't know.
Look at her.
Oh, I knew I would have told her.
Let us all laugh at this clown.
I would have told Jay. I would have told John. I would have told everybody.
You hear that?
I believe
Wait.
everybody needs that. Everybody needs a friend like that.
What did she just say?
Marissa defended him before anyone. Like, just defended him against us.
Right.
Like,
she got mad at me the other day because I said what I said. And, you know, I knew you were upset, Marissa.
I didn't want to say. I didn't know. I swear I didn't know that he was up to anything. If I knew, I would have told Laura. I would have told Leanna. I would have told Jay. I would have told John. I would have told everybody.